Hello everyone and welcome to Let's Code the Scratch Blocks, and I'm Zoris, and today I'm going to be showing you one of the updates I have done to my Scratch project. So in the next video I'm going to show my second update. So what we have to do for this one is move the Scratch cat over here or wherever you want it to go, and change the direction by, let's change it here. Okay. And so what we're gonna do is go to, so it shows when you go there, it automatically shows over here, so it's a really cool feature. So now if I play this game, so if I do this game right now, so obviously it's this on its place right now, just like the code said. Now what we're going to do is go over here, then stop it. Okay, now let us click the green flag again and see if it goes to the same place where I wanted to go. So click the green flag. Okay, so what we have to do is turn. We have to make it turn. No, I mean point in the direction of 90. I think it's 90 degrees. No, it's 59. It's 59. Okay, now let us see. So obviously it's gonna go to the place it was. So let's save this while we're waiting, and then now it's gonna play. Okay, so we're over here right now. So now let us see if it points in the same direction as we want it to go. Yep, it definitely goes to the same place. So if you want to update the project now, you can do it, but if you don't want to do any updates or changes to it, then that's okay. I don't really mind. So thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe for more Scratch content, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.